Okay, so if you are in both ELTN 115 and 117, we're going to use a slightly different approach for the microcontroller for the clock. We're going to use an Arduino Nano, which is shown, it looks similar to this one that you see here in this picture. But to actually use this part, we have to download a library for it. So I want to kind of walk you through that. And there are lots of libraries available online for Eagle parts. So I just Googled Arduino Nano V30. And if I go down to this third hit here, I get this website, www.DIYmodules. Click on that. And then I'm going to download the file converted to the latest Eagle format, which is right here. And I've already done this. You end up with this library. And if you click on it, it doesn't look like much. Okay, but you need to save it. If you go to File, Save As, you can save it to location. I've already saved it to a file location. Now, in order to use this library, let's go to Eagle here. And let's see. I'm going to say, well, we'll take a look and see how to, I've already got it in my program here. But what you'd basically do is this. You'd go to Library, and you'd go to Open Library Manager. So next you'd go to Available, and say Browse. And then I'm going to navigate to Downloads, and it's Arduino Nano V30. I'm going to click Open. And if you click on Name to alphabetize it, you'll see that it's right here, Arduino Nano V30. So I'm going to click Use, and then I'm going to close out of this. Now, if I go to Add Part here, whoops, wrong button, sorry. If I click Add Part, you'll see that it's been added to the library. So I can go Arduino Nano V30, click it, and this shows you both the schematic symbol and the package. So the reason that, and then you can add that part and work on the rest of the program. If you get stuck on that, let me know, I can help you. But that basically is the main part that you're going to be working on if you're in both 115 and 117. Now the reason we're using this component for students who are in both 115 and 117 is that we need a way to be able to program the device easily. And it's a little hard to program the actual chip that the 115 students are using who are not doing the coding on this. And so this board allows you to connect to this nano board with a micro USB, like for your cell phone charger, and actually be able to upload your code to the clock board when that's assembled. So if you have questions, if you get stuck on that, let me know. But it should be pretty straightforward. If worst case, if you're struggling with this, I can post the library in Canvas.